Hey everyone, Rick Morris from R Square Consulting here, inviting you personally to the Project Management Mastermind that's happening this Friday in Jacksonville, Florida. This is going to be unlike anything you've ever seen before because it's going to be truly experiential learning about project management issues, all with the focus of making sure that you understand how to grow your influence no matter where you sit on an organizational chart. We're going to build and learn about your personality profile. We're going to have a unique interactive way to discuss leadership challenges and issues, not only for you, but for your organization. And then we're also going to teach a new problem-solving technique. And in that technique, we'll discuss the top 10 issues that have been solicited by the group. So this is truly going to be something different to experience. And it's not going to be the boring old seminar where just somebody stands up in the front of the room for 7 hours and just tells you about a lot of theories without any practical application. My goal is to create a tribe of project managers that are truly indispensable for project results. And we do that by understanding that small changes create big effect and understanding how you can utilize your influence to become successful as a project manager. So join us this Friday. We can't wait to see you. And we hope that this is something that you'll never forget. See you then.